Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn2U and various other aliases and monikers. And today we're drawing this character from Garden of Banban. And as you can see here, I've got my Ticonderoga Black number 2 HB. Here we go. The HB stands for hard black. So you've got a spectrum from H to B, and as you go toward the H side, 1H, 2H, 3H, they can go up to 12H. You're getting a pencil that has less graphite, and it's going to be harder and a thinner line. And toward the other side, the B side, black, you're going to get more graphite and a softer pencil, and therefore you're going to get a thicker line on that one. And that one can go up to 12. Sometimes you'll see an F in there and some other letters, but that's the general idea. The HB is kind of right there in the middle, and so that's pretty much what you're going to find for regular pencils. And when you buy a set of pencils, you might see some, a range of those like that. But that's what the HB is, and we're going around here, just going over these blue lines to define where these lines are, so that it's very clear. We've got this kind of dual party hat up here, and so these are these little ribbony things coming off here. The internet says that Banban is a monster with a thirst for pancreases. He is known to smell pancreases from a mile away. Well, that's about all I know about this character. DRAWN2U2 had requested that we draw this character, and I said okay, and so we started looking at it, and so I don't even really know what I'm doing here, but apparently this character likes to, it says a thirst for pancreases, so I don't know if he drinks them or if he eats them or what, but it sounds pretty horrifying to me. That, oh, it looks like DRAWN2U2 is taking over here. Okay. He is starting out here with the Pigma Micron 10. So that is a pretty thick line here. And I asked him to do the outline with a 10 and then go in for the smaller shapes, the interior stuff, with a 5. So we've got a 10 and a 5. I really like the speed at which he's going through this thing. So he made that decision to close that arm off. I really like this. He's got some bold lines here. Not afraid to just keep moving forward. Changing here now to the 5 to get these smaller lines here. That's good. Like, subscribe, and share. 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 As I was hoping, he picked up on the lines that I put in the background there to suggest a door. So he definitely got the idea of that. Filling in the mouth here with a black marker. And then he's going to go back to the microns here to do some touch up. Like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe. Now he's adding in the door frame here. And this is really cool because he's just kind of adding in his own stuff here, ad-libbing. So this is the main color. He's gotten really good at filling in these big areas. Practice makes perfect. Like, subscribe, and share. Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe, and share. And tell your friends. Like, subscribe, and share. And tell your friends. And this is color number 193. Most of you know we're using the Azure markers from Royal and Langnickel. A lot of the time, not always, but we definitely like these. You can get cheap markers, and there's nothing wrong with that. We have a lot of them. We've talked about a lot of those. But the Azure markers are not cheap, and they're really good. So we're still using these for now. And here he is going back to with a darker color on the same kind of part of the color wheel, but just darker. So filling in some of those darker areas. Back to the main color here. We talk about complementary colors a lot, so it's something to think about when you're picking your colors. So we know this character is this reddish, orangish reddish color, and so that blue, darker blue color in the background there is fairly close to the opposite on the color wheel. And so when we want to complement each other, we use the complementary colors. They don't have to be exact, but you know, it's the closer you are to that opposite color, the more the colors are going to complement each other. Now this, I'm not sure what's going on here with these. You have to ask two, but he's adding some details, which I like. Now he's going to go in and add the lines for these for this party hat. Well, we got our signatures. So what is this? What could this be? This is 2's extra sign-off bonus here. This is somehow related to this character. It's similar to Banban here. We're coming up on the end, so it's good to be back with you, Internet. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching, and here's our final product here. Happy with this. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, Internet, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.